Okay, so we're just walking around from our homestay up to where the entrance to the fort is. Past this building here, which I understand is the home to the Communist Party of India, according to the
it's kind of random.
Kind of the sign here. It's the Communist Party of India. So interesting. And here we are, the entrance to the Hathroi Gotee Fort. Hello, hello.
How are you?
Very good. So, here it is. The fort. Here's a dog. Right there. Cat. There's a dog under the car. Yeah. Under the car. Seems okay. Are you coming? Just come. Bit nervous? I don't think so. Come on. Seems like he doesn't want to make the effort, so just give him lots of space. Namaste.
Going in?
Yes.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, I'll drop you till the inside.
Pardon me?
I'll drop you till the inside.
Okay.
Because there's a guard dog. So.
Oh, okay. Guard dog. He's going to take us to the inside. So we heard that there was somebody got bit yesterday or last week by the dog.
Yeah, one Israeli guy got bit. It happened like it's a guard.
Yeah, yeah.
So whenever the stranger comes, you don't know how to
He
react.
did, oh, okay, good. Oh. And then can we get out again? Okay.
Like I'll just tell
Okay.
dog in the family once.
Tell the dog in the family.
The dog away?
Come on. This is beautiful.
Come.
This is beautiful in here.
Wait, too.
Wow.
This is incredible. Hello.
You lived in here.
Yeah, man.
Oh, this is very cool. Very neat.
Beautiful. Wow.
How long have you lived here?
Fourth
Fourth generation.
generation. Fourth generation.
Wow. Does this say well?
Yeah, it is a guard.
Holy smokes. Yeah. Look at how deep that is.
Wow.
That's got a bit of garbage down there. Wow. Very cool. This is the guard dog? Ah. He looks sleepy.
Okay, so active. You can take a walk from here.
Okay, and up and around?
Up and around and come down.
Okay.
बंटी बाबा बिट्टू तू जा रहा है क्या एक बार ये आए ना नीचे इनको भागे उससे मुंशी खा नहीं जाए इनको like they will take care of
Okay.
it. Like,
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, that
Thank
would
you
be
very
great.
much.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Namaste.
Nice to
Your
meet you.
name?
My name is Bert.
Bert, Ajit.
Ajit. This is
Kathy. Nice to meet you,
Kathy,
Ajit.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
If
Ajit.
you, I have a restaurant right at the corner called
do you?
Chill Out.
Oh, yes, yes. Is
Oh,
that your
we were
restaurant?
going to
So
check
please
that out.
check it out.
Okay. Do you do takeaway there?
Yeah, we do take away and like you can come. Once you will come there, you won't
You won't go takeaway.
go take away.
Okay.
You will go and sit there.
Maybe we'll come and chill out. Okay. Thank you.
So the dog won't bite?
Definitely, the uncle is here, the guy is here, children's side.
Okay.
So just tell the bit to he will take you out.
Okay.
Oh, he's going to take us out there?
Out.
Oh, out.
And
Okay.
then
Out
once
when we-
now you are going up there, no problem.
No problem.
Okay.
He won't follow you up there.
Thank you.
When you're coming down, just like he will drop you.
Just make a noise. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Maybe
you.
we'll see you tonight.
inside the walls of a fort.
Okay, so
Here we are inside the Hathroi Gotee Fort.
this is so cool. All these families living here. What did he say? Fourth generation?
Fourth generation, he's been here yet.
What a nice guy. He owns
Super
the,
nice guy. Chill out restaurant. Good to see.
Yes.
It's all in the courtyard.
Narrowly escaped the vicious dog. He does not look very vicious.
I was expecting a big pit bull kind of. He barely lifted his head. Oh, come on.
So privileged to be in here.
Yeah.
Way cool.
Way cool.
Oh, it is. Look at the view.
I know.
Fantastic. We'll have to walk over as we look over at our...
Yes. Oh, we'll go back the other way. Don't want to rub up against anything that may be poison ivy-ish kind of stuff. Wow. The history of it all. It's crazy.
So, do remember, if you plan to do this, there is a guard dog here.
I think that as long as you announce yourself, I had no idea that there was going to be this
Oh,
in here. All these people, this little community living and existing inside here. There's obviously there's power. They've got water up to these barrels, and then they've plumbed it in somehow. And
it looks comfortable.
it's probably a very safe place to be. It's a fort, for God's sakes. What better place to live in the middle of Jaipur than inside of a fort?
And when you walk in, the temperature is really nice.
Yeah. Watch out for, looks like either monkey poo or more growth of. So it's not that way. I guess we can't even go. We could sort of go up, I guess. Not too much higher though. City. Wow. This is something. It's another one of those things where it's kind of off the beaten tourist path, but sort of right up of our alley because we always seem to be doing stuff like this. And it's built up all around. Like it's almost as if every square inch of space on the outside, there's more space inside. Here's another view of the well from up top.
There's a tuk-tuk.
Yeah, an old sort of stripped out tuk-tuk. But yeah, it's almost like there's more space inside here than there is on the outside, like in terms of, room. Everything is so tight for space as it is. And you have by the standards here, yes. Yeah. Yeah, there's a sort of upper level. Looks like there's cooking or kitchen to the right here. And then hold on for a second. Just gonna hop up here. Let's see over top. Ugh. These little spiky things are. These little spiky things aren't very comfortable. Oh, silly me. Right?
Oh, wow, this is wild.
Yeah, pretty cool down there, eh?
So our hotel is on the other side of that.
Oh, just over there. Yeah.
We can walk around.
Yeah, we'll walk around and have a look. See. What a place for kids to grow up. I don't know if we can. Oh, we see. Look at these. Got these
We'll have
sphinx.
to go all the way around. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can't get around there either. You can't get around there either because the water jugs.
Oh, around the other side. Oh,
Yeah, and there's a gate there. Let's see if it's worth.
Careful the cords.
Oh. Yeah, no. That's not passable. Okay. And that's not passable. I don't know if we can get up those stairs or not. Let's go. That's on our way out, isn't it?
Yeah, we'd have to kind of take the left.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Yeah. Got cable. Water. Very ingenious. The whole way they've been able to make a home in here.
We must have many mosquito bites. That's another thing we've noticed since being in Rajasthan.
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
Yeah. They're different though. They're not like our.
Yeah, you don't really feel them. It's right over there.
So the dog's there. We went up over there.
We have to go up.
No, this is just a.
Oh, a maze.
Yeah. Okay, so up we go.
We're going to go down and turn and go to the left.
Sure. Maybe we can just sneak past the sleepy dog, the guard dog. Hello. The dog's okay? Ah. Hello.
How are you? Namaste. Do you speak English?
If he's sleeping, you can go.
He's sleeping, yes.
Can we go down to the left as well before we go?
Just go here, take a left.
Yes. Okay, can we go up top over there?
There's a temple over there. You can walk up the stairs.
Yes.
Just go here, and then you can find a temple.
Oh, thank you.
And the dog will be fine? Yes.
Yeah, don't worry.
Okay. Thank you. Namaste. Bye. Hi.
That's the way out, right? Okay. Wow. This is just,
Very cool.
yeah.
You said there's a temple up there.
Yeah. Another home here, another home here. Let's go up over here and see where we go. No, but it's just, looks like some greenery in there. We can see it from up here. There's another home up there. Yeah. Oh, there's the temple there. This is a temple. I think. Maybe not. It's not locked, but there's shoes in there. That's locked. They got the glass bottle.
Huh?
Broken glass in the top so you don't climb over.
It's a little kitty cat. Look, look. Hello?
Alright, looks like that's about all we can see inside here. Guess we can't get over to that side, which is the back of our...
Where are those big stairs?
These are the...
Oh, yes.
I think these are the big stairs yourself, so... Yes.
Hello.
Namaste.
Is this a temple?
Oh, okay.
Hathroi Fort.
Hathroi Fort, yes.
Which country come from?
Canada.
Canada.
Right. Oh, you have seen Jaipur city.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Very nice.
Ancient.
Yes, very ancient. Yes, our hotel is just on the other side, so we decided to explore over here, and this is very,
Historical.
very historical. Yes,
And very comfortable and nice and
nice in the middle of the center. It's quiet, calm.
City, silent. And
Yes, exactly.
So busy.
Good place, actually.
so busy.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
so you see Jaipur or Rajasthan there.
Yes, just new into Rajasthan. Next we go to Bikaner, Jaisalmer. Came from Agra to here.
India is very beautiful. Thank you.
Huh.
There's people kind of living all over the place in here.
Yeah, there's all these little places.
Little apartments.
Yeah. It's got to be very, temperature-wise, very cool compared to
Well, it is, right?
the water in there.
Hi.
Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
Beautiful.
Look at the old ancient doors. Oh.
Hi.
Hello. That's so cool.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I was nervous that dog was gonna bite us the whole time we were in there.
No. He just kind of looked at his head. Hello.
Yeah, sometimes people go, yeah, no problem. And then you never know what's gonna happen. But that was really cool. I'm glad
Yeah.
we did that.
Me too.